Welcome to Silicon Master Warehouse Management System. Does your company need to manage warehouses at different locations? Silicon Master is able to manage multi-plant topology. Do you want to know where your goods are in the building? Do you want to track and trace items in real time? Silicon Master ERP manages exact position with column, level and row number in multiple locations. It's time to deliver more targeted recalls, reduce scale and costs by enabling traceability and transparency. And this, in any business. Silicon Master features a complete batch management system. You can inspect, isolate a batch in quarantine, identify contents and trace raw items at any level of your production. Learn more on stunning features on Silicon Brain website.